Wouldn't it be funny if I could do a backflip with a brushed little monster truck? So thought I'll try something a little different today since I haven't been out here for a very long time. I thought I'll warm up with this little guy at the skate park since there's no one here. And we'll see what he can do. Just trying to get used to the radio at the moment. The steering is a little sensitive. It's like you've got everything and then you turn a little bit and you got, oh sorry, you've got nothing and then you turn a little bit and everything just shows up. Whoa! There's our first stumble. I'm hoping I have enough here, like I don't wreck it and we can actually take it off road. Ah! Mozzie's biting my ear. For those of you outside of Australia who probably don't know what a mozzie is, that's a slang for mosquito. Upside down again. Hey, there we go. See if we can get some more jumps in. I'm going to try and actually bypass that middle section. Nice! Oh, geez, it loves being upside down. Okay, let's try something else. I want to see if I can go through here. Oh, made it over. Very nice. Here we go. Oh, nose darted that. Okay, we're all good. Bumper did his job. Let's try it again. Oh, I want to see if I can do like a really nice smooth landing on the other side. The opposite of that, essentially, is what I'm looking to do. Why is it pulling so much? Okay, hang on, let me adjust my steering trim a little bit. Okay, that looks like it's driving normal now. Why are you pulling a lot to one side? Here we go. Oh, perfect. Nice. Oh, geez, I tell you, do you reckon I could? Should we try? Wouldn't it be funny if I could do a backflip with a brushed little monster truck on a stock 2S light bar? I've lost the body pin already. Jeez. Okay, I found the body pin, so we're all good. Let's see if we can line this up. It did it! I didn't think it would do it. Oh! That was too much that time. Too much speed. Oh, nah. Oops. Oh, almost. Okay, the trick is, can we do it more than once? Yes, we can. That was great. Good brake. I love how the tyres screech. Okay, time for some off-roading. The grass is a little long, but hopefully you can see what sort of performance we get out of this on chalk grass and a bit of dirt. I'm hoping to get out to the track, but there's already people there, so I don't know how we're going to go. It's alright for a little brush thing. I think this actually does well. A lot of fun at the skate park. And it managed the backflip, which is awesome. Oops! A lot of side bite on these tyres. Very grippy. Especially on grass. They really dig in. I mean, this thing with a small brushless system, just so you can go a bit quicker than this, I think this would be a lot of fun. I wouldn't go too crazy on the power, but oh man, bloody mozzies, they're attacking me today. Piss off, go away. A bit humid. I think it rained a bit overnight, as you probably saw. Skate park was a little wet, but hopefully the rain holds off for the rest of the day and I can finish running my cars. Alright, I think we've seen it go in circles here long enough. Let's get it out on the track. Let's see how it goes here. Oh jeez, really? Such a cute little thing. Actually handles pretty well. I'm just not a fan of the radio. Mozzie's on my hands. Oh, in my ears. Bugger off. Oh my god. And there we go. I think we've seen enough. Cute little car. Awesome run. Interesting. I just finished my run and just noticed I only got front wheel drive. Literally just as I finished, I lost rear wheel drive. It was working fine before. So yeah, now it's only front wheel drive. I don't know what's happened. Gonna have to check it out.